Quick video today, guys. Good old Santa Claus brought some new mirrors for the bike, so leaving up to yourselves to pick the option of what the bike will look like from now on. Got rid of the standard mirrors, which you can see in the picture here. Didn't like them at all, they weren't much use. Anytime I had to look in them, I had to dip my shoulder out of the way to get a view of the road, which is not great. So we're changing to bar end mirrors, but how they're located, as I say, will be a choice for yourselves to help me make. So we'll go down to here and try and find somewhere I can show you a walk around of how it's set up currently. Give you a couple of options and see what you guys think's best. So that's in our current guise. She likes just now. The trickery of YouTube and the magic of my fantastic computer skills, you can now see option 2. So those of you that have keen sight may have noticed a little screw missing underneath the Oxford heated grip. That is because the one that was originally in there to hold the clutch lever mount in place made of toffee, not Highland toffee, because that wouldn't have broken, but the really crap toffee, more like fudge. I hope you all had a good Christmas and a happy New Year. Unfortunately I was working through some of it, but it was still good. Got the family time done, got some nice presents from Santa in the shape of some heated grips, these nice mirrors which you'll be sharing your opinions on in the comments hopefully. I also got a couple of books regarding motorcycling in Britain, so they will feature in the channel in upcoming months once it's a wee bit warmer. I ask it in every video, guys, and a lot of you are really good at it, but please do like, share and subscribe, and especially on this video I would love it if you'd comment, give me your opinion on option 1, 2 or 3, and I'll release the results in due course. Obviously I have my favourites, or my favourite should I say, but I thought just for a bit of fun, open it up to you guys. But for now I'm going home to my bed because I'm night shift tonight and I am tired and coming down with some sort of bug I think. So until next time, keep it shiny side up. We'll see you out there.
Fans all vote now.